This 2025 Brinkley RV Model G 4100 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in San Angelo, Texas, 76905 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, San Angelo. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Brinkley RV is 45 feet 0 inches in length and features a SAHARA interior, sleeps 4, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, kitchen island, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.